I'm Suzanne Krause, and this is my husband,
Glenn Krause.
and we're part of the Silver Key Reassurance Plus program.
My name is Andrea Ensch, and I'm a Silver Key Reassurance Plus companion.
Glenn had a stroke about 11 years ago, and recently he'd been diagnosed with vascular dementia. I found that over the past year or so, he had become less able to do things outside the house easily. He really doesn't have any friends, and I felt like he needed someone besides me to be with and socialize with and to get out of the house with.
I work with older adults in the health insurance, healthcare space. I have daily conversations with my members, and I realized that there definitely is a need for companionship, for not being as isolated, especially now with the pandemic. And I think the Reassurance Plus program actually provides some of that assistance and some of that companionship.
Getting involved in a program where I meet people is good and do things that I wouldn't normally do. The only thing constant is change, as we all know. And my ability to adapt to those changes has not been very good, but I've never been old before.
I feel like I learn a lot. Glenn and I talked about books this week, and he gave me a couple of suggestions, things that weren't kind of on my radar. That kind of conversation, I think, is the greatest thing that you can't really anticipate, you can't expect. And it's really just a blessing to be able to have that level of conversation with someone that you don't necessarily know.
I look forward to seeing things that I wouldn't normally see. I don't drive anymore, so that getting out in a car might be nice without having Suzanne drive. Getting to meet new people, getting to do some different things, the important stuff.
I've told Glenn, and we've told our children and our grandchildren, that you can't have too many people who care about you. And I think that the Silver Key Reassurance Plus will mean that to us. We'll just extend the number of people who care about us.
Being a volunteer in this space is more than just meeting needs. It's truly a program that you can feel very comfortable getting to know someone and knowing that they can be there as a support and help to you, and trusting that.
Call the Silver Line today for a free consultation, 719-884-2300.